You might be surprised to find out that some of the foods you've known all your life are actually profiled as superfoods by nutritionists. We've all heard about avocado, quinoa, and nuts, but if these products aren't usually in your shopping cart, that's okay. It doesn't mean that you have to go out of your way to get your daily dose of superfoods. Oranges contain flavonoids, a substance that lowers the risk of ischemic stroke in women. They're also packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps fight skin damage, reduce wrinkles, and soften texture. Along with vitamin C, they're filled with fiber, which improves the function of the digestive system and makes you feel full for longer. They help your weight loss plan because eating them helps you eat less. Bananas contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps moderate your blood sugar. They also reduce the risk of developing heart conditions since they're a great source of potassium. Finally, they can help you lose weight because of their fiber content, which will cleanse your body and make you feel fuller. Yogurt provides calcium, which is the key to maintaining healthy bones. It's filled with protein, essential to your muscle structure and brain function. It's also a good source of vitamin D, which not only aids calcium's quest toward healthier bones, but has recently been shown to be one of the most potent inhibitors of cancer cell growth. They're one of the best sources of probiotics you can find. Fermented vegetables are filled with healthy bacteria that refresh your intestinal flora and keep your gut healthy and balanced. This is more important than you may think, because not only does gut bacteria help your digestive system, it also creates 95% of the amount of serotonin you need. Serotonin is a neurochemical that affects mood, digestion, and even your sleep. Eggs are a good source of protein, especially if you don't consume meat. They can also turn your cholesterol balance from bad to good. They're packed with choline, a substance that sustains brain structure and brain development, which makes them a superfood. They are essential for pregnant women. Plus, they provide lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that preserve your eye health and prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Honey contains antioxidants that have been linked to reducing blood pressure. It is rich in antioxidants and antibacterial properties that will give a boost to your immune system, making you stronger against viruses and bacteria. Additionally, it's a source of polyphenol, an organic chemical that helps curb and fight depression by countering oxidative stress in your brain cells. Oats are a good protein source, especially for vegetarians and vegans. They contain a high amount of fiber, a substance that will not only cleanse your body, but also help you prevent colorectal cancer. It can also lower your risk of heart disease by reducing the bad cholesterol present in your blood. Spinach is a very well-known source of iron. It also provides tryptophan, an amino acid that is key for a healthy brain and psychological structure that helps curb depression. Spinach also contains magnesium, which is necessary for regulating metabolism, muscle maintenance, and good blood pressure. Last but not least, it's packed with fiber. Chickpeas are high in protein, the key foundation of your organs, skin, tendons, enzymes, etc. Another benefit is their high amount of fiber, which can improve your digestion. This protein and fiber combo makes chickpeas one of the healthiest foods. Additionally, they're great if you're trying to lose some weight since scientists believe they keep your appetite in check. They also contain certain cell growth inhibitors, making them a good source for preventing cancer. Just like oranges, blueberries contain flavonoids, a substance that prevents the risk of ischemic stroke in women. They're also a good source of vitamin C, which works as an anti-aging factor that will make your skin softer and more uniform. Finally, they're an ally for your brain. They improve motor control and cognition. If you would like to get a healthy boost for your weight loss and anti-aging treatments, try consuming these 3 products often during the week. You'll get these benefits: spinach, high dose of fiber that makes you feel fuller for longer, and magnesium to keep those muscles fit and strong, blueberries, antioxidants that minimize signs of aging, and a neuroprotective effect for your brain, oranges, a mix of antioxidants that delay the aging of your body. Also, a good amount of fiber to stop those cravings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.